So welcome to the second part of the DBMS. Okay, now the thing is, in the first part I've explained about the data and database, right? So I'm just going to repeat that for a while. So what is the data? Data is just you can say these are the raw facts that doesn't have any meaning if we see it individually, but if we try to create, if we just try to relate among themselves, then we will get information out of it. So this is called information. I means information. Okay, so information out of it. Now what is management system? Management system is just a software that can be used to manipulate this data over here in order to update or delete or something like that. Fine. So in this tutorial we are going to deal with two things. First is the level or abstractions, and the second is data independence, right? Now generally for the first case, that is the levels of abstraction, we have we call it a three-tier architecture. Fine. 3T architecture. 3T architecture. Now what is a 3T architecture? So this whole DBMS concept is divided into three parts. The first part is called the view level, and I'm going to explain it to you. I'm just trying to draw it out. So this is called the view level, and VL means view level. Next comes the logical level. Fine, this is the logical level, LL. And the third part is the physical level, physical, PL. Okay, now the thing regarding the view level is that view level is actually, suppose you have gone to form fill up for your next college, okay, and there you are given, so you open your web browser over there, and you see you can see a form over there, form that takes input of your name, your address, your phone number, some also your country, your date of birth, everything. The second, it takes input the suppose your marks, and your whatever your first, second, third marks, and last of all your any work experience what you have. Great. So I have marked all these things with three different colors because this will explain all the thing. Fine. View level in the sense that many of them have opened the same form. So you are over here, you are over here, I am over here opening this form, and somebody else, some other else over there open that same form over there, and they're just filling up the forms. Okay, so this is the view level. So we don't have any idea what is happening behind the web page, right? So it is a kind of highest level of data abstraction in the sense that it is hiding data from us. So what is happening we don't know actually. So which describes the only part of the entire database system. Okay, so the only part is we can see is in front of us. So this is how we divide the whole view level part. We have no idea, user don't have any idea regarding anything. It is just, you can say, the web interface is provided, and this is the view level. The next is the logical or the conceptual level, the same meaning. Okay, so same meaning, LL or CL, conceptual level. What happens in conceptual level is that the whole data what you have inputted in a single web page, okay, it's divided into several tables. So this is kept in a separate table. Suppose this is your personal information is kept in a separate table, and your marks and all these things are kept in a separate table. So the user in the view level have no idea what is happening behind the scene, right? So this is a kind of data abstraction. And suppose this is for the all the work experience or something like that. So this is the logical level. Okay, now what data should be stored in what databases and what relationship exists between them it is the work of this logical level over here. And last is the physical level. Now what is the physical level? Physical level means it is the most lowest level where we can store it. Suppose it is called, you can say it to be the database server. Okay, so database server, what kind of server we are storing it, where we, server located where, we don't know, we are not aware of it physically. It may be in I don't know, in India, it may be in United States, Germany, Japan, anywhere. So we are not aware of the fact. So where are these data going? Fine, so these are the physical level. So three tier architecture means firstly the view level, what we are seeing on the browser, not only in the browser but in the software also what we are operating. The second is the logical level, where the internal application decides what should be stored where. Okay, which data should be stored in which table. And the last is the physical level. The physical, suppose this whole data information is stored in suppose in America, fine, and the next information is stored in Africa. Suppose I'm just kidding like that. Okay, like this. So you just store it like this. So you divide it into three levels, and there it comes the data independence. Fine. So what is data independence? So data independence is also the same thing. Data independence. So data independence is divided into two parts. The first part is logical, and the second part is physical. So physical data independence, I have told you earlier that this is the physical data independence, that users are not at all aware of the facts about the storage of the information. Okay, so if you want to store your information, goes over here, you write, you give your information over here, it straight goes into, it gets divided. Okay, it gets divided and stored in different servers throughout the world. Fine. So if they change the servers, if this server by chance gets faulty and it's get changed to this server, you will never come to know about this. Fine, you will never come to know about this. Only the physical level will come to know about this, that the change has occurred. Fine, the same thing will happen with the logical level, but the logical part is the simple as this, that it happens in the second level. Second level in the sense that if anybody changes, suppose if they change, suppose the logical, if you want to store this table over here, they want to store it over here. Suppose they want to store it over here, and suppose they want to store this data over here. So this is the logical change, you cannot help it. Fine, suppose they want to store this data over in this table, and they want to store this data over in this table. So this is the logical change in the storage of the data. Still, you cannot view what is happening beneath the view level. Okay, only you can understand given set of informations. Okay, so what is logical independence? It indicates that it indicates that the conceptual schema can be changed without affecting the existing external schema. That is, it insulates the application program from operations such as combining two records or splitting or existing and the record or more records. Okay, existing one or more records. So it is dividing it like that. And third is the physical level. Physical data independence, how will you define it? It is indicates that the storage structure or the device used for storing the data could be changed without necessarily changing the conceptual or the physical data structure. So they will not be aware of it for data independence. So it is kind of it. So thank you very much for watching.